A good reader is a good speaker. Let's enhance reading skills in children through story reading. Thanks for your like. Subscribe to stay connected. Once upon a time, there was a fly who liked to work and help others. On a festival day, a fly was flustering the floor with cum. While working, it forgot its name. "What is my name?" it wondered. It flew long and long without stopping, asking everyone around. Soon, he saw an old lady sitting under the tree. It stopped there and asked the old lady, "Do you know my name?" "I don't know your name." "Ask my son," replied the old lady. So, the fly flew to an old lady's son. "Do you know my name?" asked the fly. "I don't know your name." "Ask the axe in my hand," he said. So, the fly flew to the axe and asked, "Oh, axe of old lady's son, do you know my name?" "I don't know your name." "Ask the tree which I just cut down," said the axe. The fly flew to the tree. "Do you know my name?" asked the fly. "I don't know your name." "Ask the birds sitting on my branches," replied the tree. The fly then flew to the birds, who were sitting on the branches of the tree. The fly asked, "Do you know my name?" "We don't know your name." "Ask the lake where we drink water," said the birds. The fly then flew to the lake and asked, "O lake water, do you know my name?" "I don't know your name." "Ask the fish that swim in me." The lake said, "Oh, fish swimming in the water, do you know my name?" asked the fly. "I don't know your name." "Ask the little boy who tries to catch me," said the fish. He went to the boy and asked, "O little boy who tries to catch fish, do you know my name?" "I don't know your name." "Ask the horse that I ride," answered the boy. "Oh, dear horse, do you know my name?" Ask the fly who became tired. The horse replied, "No, I don't remember your name." Ask the baby horse that is inside my stomach. "Oh, dear baby horse, do you know my name?" asked the fly, who was feeling exhausted. The baby replied, "Your name is F. 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 F," replied the baby horse, and it got fumbled. On hearing him, the fly explains, "Oh, you said it right, my name is Fly." And the fly happily flew back home.